My name is Todd Breidigam, author, Welding, Everything You Need to Know. The book is about learning how to weld. What does that mean? It's more than just picking up a wire feed gun or a TIG forge. It's also about your mindset, your confidence, your safety. Those are really important. Then the book gets into the different processes and what's great, what works really well. This welding book grew out of the first welding book I wrote called How to Weld. I felt that this book was a good book for young readers, anybody who was interested in learning more about welding, both as a technical trade and as an art form, could get a good solid start in the foundational knowledge you need to be safe and effective and understand the theory and practice of joining metals together. This new book, anybody would enjoy reading.